welcome to your wine pronunciation video. Welcome to this series where I hope we are having fun learning about how to pronounce the name of some of the most famous and delightful wines in the world. As was requested by Primary Rose, one of the great supporters of this channel, we are looking at how to pronounce the name, well, this name here. So first, let's have a look at how not to pronounce this word here, and I don't want to pronounce it correctly before I tell you how you may think this is actually pronounced. This, you might think, well, logically this might be pronounced Valpolicella, Valpolicella, Valpolicella. Well, this is not quite exactly it, as you've understood it. So, how do we go about pronouncing this? Pretty straightforward. Vowel. Po. Li, I in Italian being pronounced E, and then C in Italian comes out as CH, Valpolicella. And there's a double L here, so you do want to emphasize on the double L, la. Valpolicella, Valpolicella, Valpolicella. Coming up, we are going to be looking at how to pronounce Amarone della Valpolicella and Reciotto della Valpolicella. Signing off, this was Julien Michael. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We built this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board.